Hi friends, are you ready to make this beautiful Nadu skirt? This is the very first time we opening up the classroom for you to join with many automakers, and most of all you'll be learning from my team as well. Yeah, you hear it right, all these goddesses will be there alongside to help you. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have so many things I want to share with you. First of all, I want to let you know I am practicing yoga again. I come back on my mat and now I do my practice every morning. So I would like to know if anyone out there who love to crochet and also practicing yoga, I would love to connect with you, and I want to know who you're practicing with. Are you doing by yourself or you follow the video? I put the link of the video that I'm following every morning. I doing yoga with Adrienne. Maybe many of you already know her. She have a YouTube channel and you can learn, wow, so many videos she put out for us all to learn to practice, and I just love her way of teaching so much. Today I practice day 7 and day 8 of the 30 days challenge of dedicated program. So if you want to check it out, just make sure you have a look on my description box below this video. Besides that, I am so excited to share with you that I released the pattern. I think if you see the video before this one, I put also in the link here for you. This video is showing you all of the beauties of my tester. I am blown away by their their work, the colors that they choose to create this Nadu skirt. I highly recommend you to take 50 seconds to have a look at their work, and let me know also what do you think about their work and about their confidence and about the way they, share their beauty. I would love to connect with you and to, raise this confidence, this self-love, this belief, the new belief of the beauty that is not always from what other people tell you or what the society saying that you have to be in a certain way and that is beautiful. I want to promote this beauty that actually come from within and that we learn to let it shine through our happiness and the joy and our way of life. And I think this is more sustained, I don't know in English, like it lasts longer, right? This kind of beauty that is not only from the look from the outside, although we still can cherish our beauty from the outside as well, because I believe the outer beauty is simply the reflection of the inner beauty, the inner selves. Because of this topic, I also want to let you know this morning I create this intimate classroom. It's a place that you all can learn to make this beautiful Nadu skirt. I put here on the screen for you to see. Everyone can come and join to make this Nadu skirt. Although you need to have a pattern in hands and you can just come in and be part of this journey. It's like the classroom that my team and I gonna be there to support you through the journey. And you may ask, why do I need to be part of this classroom? I already have a pattern. Am I not be able to make it by myself? Of course you'll be able to make it by yourself, but don't you think it's going to be more fun that we all come together and you get the support from my team who are located from all around the globe, and they can just support you in real time when I go to bed, and the time zone is always different. And much more than that, you are joining this community, collective consciousness of creating beautiful things together, and you will not just walk away with the beautiful Nadu skirt that fit you perfectly. You gain so much love for yourself and for your body, and you will make many new friends. And I think this is just a good idea to create this, space for us all to connect, and especially this time to come together and to crochet together. I'm very excited because I feel You know, many of us just get the pattern, you purchase the pattern and you never make it. I really want to see you make it, and I really want to be able to help you if you need anything. And this event start now, like right now. I will insert this screenshot to you to see how the event look like. I just created the event today. So it start now until 29th of April, because after that we will have a new project that we're going to do together. So I want to do one project at a time, and you learn from my team and I that we can support you if you have any question, either about the yarn, either about anything at all that you might run into problems or questions, and we are there to help you to find a solution, because my way of teaching or create a pattern is now different than before. I want you all to think alongside with me. This way you will learn how to create your crochet garment. This way you will learn how to actually design something for yourself. When you learn how to make either nadu top or nadu skirt, this set, this outfit, if you be able to follow my pattern instruction, you can make in all sizes, even for children's size. And I make it this way because many people say to me, oh Maya, you only make size XS to XL. What about XXL? Actually, I do XXL too. What about plus size woman? How can I make your clothes? Because it's not in there. So I was thinking, what can I do that I don't leave anyone behind? What can I do that everyone be able to learn and create all the beautiful clothes that I design and just feel beautiful in their own skin? So this is the answer for this question, and I want to take you on board. I want to hear from you. What do you think about this way of learning from me? And like I said, I want you to think alongside with me, and slowly we create. This time is the first classroom that we have, and I want to always have a classroom right after my pattern has released. So this way you get the support from my team and I, and you be part of our crochet tribe. And if you don't know yet what is a crochet tribe, I've also put the link under this video for you. Crochet tribe is like the place where everyone come and share about the love for crochet, the love for the yarn, and I call it Crochet Tribe MayaLunaCorazon. You will love this place. You will see all the beautiful pieces that people learn from my video tutorial, as well as the ring patterns. And I want to answer a quick question for those who write me and ask me, Maya, why you don't make a free video tutorial anymore? And the answer is that I have made many video tutorials here on YouTube, and they are all free and they are still here. So if you feel like you are not ready to purchase the pattern, you can learn it for free from my previous video from 2017 until last year. I have so many free video tutorials for you. This year, I want to concentrate more on teaching those who want to go further and learn more about their body, learn more about measuring tape, and learn more about designing. So this way, I also have to concentrate on my business part, meaning that I need to sell the pattern. I want to be clear with you, like crystal clear with you. I don't want to invite you somewhere and in the end, you know, you find out that it's not like what you think. I tell you right here and right now, I am selling my written pattern, and I am happy to tell you that every time I release something, I always have a gift for you. If you're following me on my social media, you will know that I give more than I ask. So please come and join us and get to know me a little bit more, how I work and how we grow together as a strong community. This way, you are helping me to sustain this way of living and this way of creating, and we all can just blossoming together. So you will learn from me, and you will learn everything that I know, because I love teaching and I love to share what I know. You know, before I go, I want to share one thing that I learned from Adrienne. I love her yoga. I already mentioned before, I just fall in love with her. Every single day I learn from her. I was like, oh Adrienne, thank you so much. I feel so good in my body. Just 8 days practicing yoga with her, I feel so much better than before. Well, I used to do a lot of yoga in the past, but since I start this crochet journey, it's just so addicted. You already know when you start to crochet, you cannot stop, right? But sometimes it's just not so healthy to sit always and crocheting and didn't have time to do any body movement or yoga or breathing. So I think crochet and yoga it's just perfect match for me right now, and I love it so much. I want to let you know that we are going to make the yoga wear collection together. I think it's very important that we always pay attention of what make us feel good, and I think that is yoga is all about. That's why I feel connected in yoga in such way now, that yoga is about take a moment and be observer. Just see and ask yourself, what is make me feel good? It can be just go out and take a deep long inhale and lots of love in, lots of love out, just like what Adrian liked to say, and I love it so much. Or just, you know, connect it and be together and crochet something beautiful together. And when you join our intimate classroom of Nadu skirt, you will know why I create this event. You will know why it's so important that we come together and support one another to see the beauty that we are. So I want to let you know this, my friends. I want to look into your eyes and to let you know that you are beautiful just the way you are. Looking forward to have you in the tribe. Come and join us. Mwah! And if you don't have the pattern yet, the link is just right under this video. I show you one more time how beautiful this skirt. Are you ready? Here. I love it so much, especially this time of the year. Can't wait to see you make your beautiful Nadu skirt. I see you soon. Bye bye.